Okay, so this is Tim. I'm out here with my kitty cats and out here in the shop, one of the shops. You'll get to know this as we go along through this adventure. So I've had people tell me I need to show them the things that I do, because I do lots of stuff. This is my new toy. This right here is, I've not been able to date it, but this is an Atlas lathe, a H54, I think is what it is. Let's see what that say. Something like that. H54, but the the head on it, this one down here, is the H model, which has babbitt bearings, and the TH model, it's been updated by somebody before me, so that has Timken bearings in the headstock up here. Now, something I'm not real sure about, somebody's filled these things with grease, and I don't think that's supposed to be grease. That's supposed to be oil. So anyway, this is my new toy. This is one of the things I'm going to start showing people, the things that I do and how I go about doing them. I've heard that's a good idea because I could actually get a following and people would want to see what I'm doing. That's hard for me to believe, but I do a lot of things, and this is just one of them. I've been a machinist all my life, and so I'm going to do some machining tonight with my new toy. It's able to mill, and it's a lathe, but it's able to mill. So anyway, I hope these videos start to become handy and that I can support myself in my retirement. And so anyway, here's one of the projects I got going on right now, is I'm making some hinges for this amplifier. Music is another one of my things. I play in rock and roll bands. Yes, I do. So I just use some of this here epoxy Gorilla Glue, and I took a strip of leather and I put it on here and I clamped it up on both sides of this flange so that the cover on this will rotate up and down. And there is a reason for that I'm not going to tell you right now. But this is a piece of Fender equipment. Anyway, I'm going to stop now and I'm going to put this camera on a tripod and maybe just get it in a good angle where you can just watch what I'm doing for a while. But what I'm up to here is I have a piece of steel clamped up in here, and there's an end mill that's cutting across there. I've made one pass already. I don't know if you can see it very well. I need to turn my light back on. There we go. You can see I've made one pass across there already. I have to establish the thickness of this piece of metal, and what this is going to be is a T-nut that is going to go into the where'd it go? I lost it. Into the compound. It's going to fit into that right there when I get done, and that is in order to clamp on the tool post that goes on top of here that holds on to all the lathe tools. And I might have one or two of those along the way. And let's just let it roll. This is Tim. This is BZ Horizon. And I'd like you to look that up and see if you can figure out what BZ Horizon means and what it's all about. And I'll give you a hint next time. Well, I'll give you a hint right now. It's in the book of Exodus. All right.